There is a continuation of innovation with the introduction of Waterboga's new anti-flood auto shut-off connectors. The anti-flood patented design guards against catastrophic water damage caused by burst or broken water supply hoses and fittings. All water supply hoses can be affected by a number of problems. Over time, hoses can become brittle and burst. Hoses that are not constructed properly can break under normal pressure, and some hoses used in public places are vulnerable to tampering by vandals. These conditions can cause many problems for homeowners, commercial property owners, and maintenance personnel. Anti-flood connectors guard against costly water damage. It automatically shuts off the water supply to a plumbing fixture when it senses the normal flow rate to the fixture has been exceeded. Water flow through the anti-flood connector is limited to a factory preset rate. Any flow over the preset rate will automatically shut off the water flow. Application 4. Residential, apartment building, private home, hotels, commercial buildings, schools, hospitals. The connectors are specifically for faucets, toilets, ice maker machines, dishwashers, washing machines. Waterboga has a US patent, China patent, Taiwan patent, and UK patent. Also, it has UPC and NSF approval certificates. Anti-flood connector senses the excess flow, automatically shuts off the water. This stops catastrophic water damage at home and commercial structures, preventing expensive repairs and insurance claims. Installation for anti-flood auto shut-off connector.
Installation for anti-flood auto shut-off device.
First, turn off the stop valve to the water supply. Connect anti-flood connector to the supply valve. Next, connect the other end to the faucet.
Normal use.
The flow rate to a typical faucet is limited by national code to 2.2 gallons per minute. Our fitting is preset to approximately 2.5 gallons per minute to 3.0 gallons per minute. The normal operation will not trigger a shutoff of the water flow. Even if there are pressure surges in the system when the flow rate is over the 3.0 gallons per minute, anti-flood will be activated. Demonstration of a water burst test. To demonstrate the benefit of an anti-flood connector, we once again cut the hose to simulate a burst, rupture or active vandalism. However, this time, the anti-flood connector automatically shuts off the water. Comparison of regular hose versus anti-flood auto shut-off connector. The traditional hose will have catastrophic water damage due to a rupture or active vandalism. As you can see, our anti-flood patented buoy device and diaphragm shuts off the water to avoid the water damage. Simple connections. First, connect the hose to inlet end of the water supply. Then, connect the other end to the water appliance. Simple installation. Without power. No special tools needed. No professional help needed.